Hi there, this is Aimee, your e-commerce growth expert, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to start your business with Shopify. This tutorial is a step-by-step guide to creating your Shopify account and setting up your store. So if the idea of having your own online store and being part of the thriving e-commerce world excites you, then you're in for a treat. I'll be your trusted companion in this video, leading you through every crucial move to not only make a Shopify account, but also establish a business that's all set for success. Now, before we get started, let's make sure that we have a Shopify account by going to shopify.com and clicking on the Start Free Trial button. Once you have all the information added and Shopify has created the store for you, you should be ready to move further in setting up the store. After successfully signing up for Shopify, you will be directed to the Shopify admin, which is the backend of your Shopify store. And this is where you'll invest a significant amount of time in setting up and managing your online business operations. So from this page, you can see the different sections on the left side where you can set up and manage your products, your orders, discounts, and many more. Now at the bottom part is where you can see the settings. So in this video, I will walk you through the sections and settings that are important in making sure you have a running business. So let's dive into setting up your store by adding some awesome products. We're now on this page from the Shopify admin, and from here, we'll click on the product section, which also opens up the subsections including the collections. Now from the products page, you'll be introduced to the three options on how to add a product. So you can do that by uploading a CSV file of the existing products, finding products to sell from the App Store, or adding a product from the Shopify admin. So in this tutorial, we're going to take the hands-on approach, step by step. Now let's begin by giving this product a name and description. This is where we will introduce the product and provide important details such as materials, ingredients, or if you have one, the manufacturing process. This helps your customers understand exactly what they're buying from your store. Now, if you're feeling creative, play around with the text formatting tools available in the Rich Text Editor right here in the description. But if you're more of an HTML person, you can switch to the HTML editor for more control. Next up is the media section where you can really show off your product's best features with images and videos. And if you have them, you can even use 3D models. Good visuals help customers see exactly what they're getting. Just remember, the higher the resolution, the better the experience. Now let's talk about pricing. This price right here is what the customers will pay for as they order this product, while compare at price is the original cost they will see for the sale I'm offering right here. Speaking of which, let's make sure to keep track of how many products we have in stock so we don't accidentally run out. We'll just put in the number we have available for this location right here. Moving on, since this product needs to be shipped to customers, we'll make sure this option is checked. The weight of the product matters for calculating shipping costs, especially if you're using automatic rates. But if you're not selling physical products, no need to worry about it. You just need to uncheck this feature. Now let's get into options. These are like different versions of your products, with each version having its own unique features. Think of size as an example of an option, and the option values would be small, medium, and large. So let's add another option here for color with values black and orange. Now, if you scroll down a bit, you'll see that variants are automatically created right here. These are the different combinations of option values that create different versions of your product, like a small black t shirt, a medium black one, and so on. So now let's move on to the bottom part and set how the product appears in search engine results. It's like giving your store a little introduction with the title, description, and handle. Now let's jump back up to product status. We'll make sure this product is active and available for customers to purchase. And in the publishing section, we'll choose where this product shows up. Below that, there's a section where we'll finish up the last details. In the product organization part, we'll set the category, type, and even the brand or vendor of the product. We can also add the product to different collections from here. And don't forget the tags. These are like labels that help organize and find your products. For example, you could tag something as clothing to make it easy for you and your customers to find all the clothes products from your store. Now that we're done, we'll hit the save button, and that's how you officially add your first product to your Shopify account. Now, great job on adding your first product. And with a few more in the mix, it's time to step it up by creating collections. Collections help you organize products based on their types or if you're running a special promotions with specific products. So let's kick off by navigating to the product section, then selecting the collections from all the subsections. Once you're on this page, hit the Create Collection button. We'll start by naming this collection our holiday promotion. Adding a description is optional, but you can provide more context if you'd like. On the right side, we'll select which channels this collection will be available to. And under that is where you can add your collection image. This visual touch sets the tone for what your collection represents and entices your customers. Now onto the collection type, you'll encounter two options, manual and automated. With manual, you get to handpick each product for the collection, and for automated collection, this lets you set up filters so the products meeting your criteria are automatically added to the collection. In this tutorial, we'll use the automated feature. Before we dive into adding conditions, let's make sure to select products must match any conditions. This ensures that if a product meets at least one of the conditions, it'll be included in the collection. Now let's go ahead and choose product tag from these options. We'll add products with the tag holiday, and let's add another one. Let's include all products with a price higher than $50. Now that everything's set up, let's go ahead and click on save. Just give it a moment to load, and there you have it. All the products that meet the conditions we established are right here. Now that we have our products available for purchase, the next step is enabling a method for your customers to pay for them. Let's get into that. Getting your payment method in place gives you the reins on how your customers make payments and how you receive your payouts for your orders. To start, let's head over to the bottom left of the Shopify admin and click on Settings. From here, we'll navigate to Payments where you'll find a variety of payment methods. So first, for card payments with the least amount of charges, you can activate your Shopify payments if you are eligible to use it. If you prefer to use a different payment method, here's a list of all the third-party payment providers that you can use in your store. This also depends on your location. Just make sure that you've set up your own account from their website. You also have the option to add other supported payment methods like PayPal, Amazon, Bitcoin, Klarna, and many more. The last option is the manual payment method. So please note that these are not facilitated by Shopify. So you can establish the custom payment options such as bank deposit, money order, and cash on delivery. Through checkout, you'll be able to offer instructions and details to your customers for these methods. Now let's say that you've set up your payment methods. Let's now focus on setting up how we'll ship or deliver products to the customers, along with the associated costs. Let's head over to the settings and then shipping and delivery to get started. The shipping section is where we will set up the shipping profiles. These profiles help you make rules for different places and products you sell. The general shipping rate right here is where pre-made shipping zones and rates are added. And this is the default shipping profile for all the products not included in custom shipping rates. To make a new shipping rule, let's start by clicking on the Create New Profile under Custom Shipping Rates. Let's name it with something easy to identify like shirts only. Then let's add the products by clicking on Add Products and selecting all the shirt products here. Once they're chosen, click Done. Next, let's set up the areas you'll ship to. So we'll click on the Create Zone and give it a name like Local or International Shipping. For this one, let's make the zones for United States and the United Kingdom. You can also pick certain states if you want. After that, click Add Rate to set how much shipping costs. You've got two choices here. So you can set your own rates or use automatic rates from apps or carriers like UPS and FedEx. For now, we'll set our own rates. Let's give this shipping rate a name like free shipping if it's free and then put the price as 0. Now let's talk about when this rate applies. To give people free shipping, we'll say that they'll get it when they spend at least $20. Remember, you can offer different shipping rates based on different things as well. So for example, customers will pay for $10 for orders from 0 to $100. But if they spend over $100, they'll get free shipping. Once you're happy with the setup, hit on save and you're ready to charge shipping rates and deliver your products to your customers. Now that we've got our business essentials sorted, the next step is to design our online store. Let's start with choosing a theme. To get going, head over to the online store and then go to the theme section. Now, as you scroll down here, you'll find the most popular themes. And if you want to see all the available options, just hit Visit Theme Store. Picking up the perfect theme is really important. It's the face of your business, reflecting your brand's personality and ensuring a smooth shopping experience for your customers. Now, on this page, you can use filters like price, industry, catalog size, and features. These themes are fully customizable to match your brand and products, but it's still a good idea to pick a template that closely resembles the look you have in mind, making future edits easier, of course. Now, to further check if a theme is what you're actually looking for, select a theme from this list and click the View Demo Store option. This lets you experience how the theme appears on a real website, both mobile and computer views. You can even navigate through different pages like product pages and blogs. For this example, we'll work with the Dawn theme. And to do that, let's just simply open the theme page and click on Try Theme. Now, once the theme is added, we'll click on the Customize button and this will open up the theme editor where you can work on designing the theme until you're satisfied. On this page, you'll notice this part for the customization and adding sections and blocks. As you make changes to your sections and blocks, you'll see them reflected in the preview on the right side. For example, let's say we want to highlight the collection that we created earlier. What we need to do is to click on Add Section down here in the template and pick the Featured Collection. This adds a section at the bottom part. Then we'll change the name to Holiday Sale and choose the collection we just created. You'll see the changes right away in the preview like you can see here. Now let's add another section called Featured Product. Within this section, you'll find various customizable blocks. Just click on a block to open its settings for further customization. Another great thing about the theme editor is that you can simply drag and drop sections and blocks to position them exactly where you want. Now, if you spot something in the preview that you want to change without searching through all the sections and blocks, just activate the inspector. So click on an element in the preview and its corresponding section or block settings will pop up for immediate customization. This simplifies the process of editing your theme. Now let's dive into settings. So settings is where you can upload your logo and favicon images, which is a small icon that appears in your browser tab. You can also adjust the theme colors, choose fonts, and configure various other settings. Remember to save your settings and please note that this customization can also be done to other pages like product or collection pages. Now continuing onward, within the theme editor, you'll spot the footer and the header. So our next step involves arranging menus to display the links you'd like to feature on your store. Now from the Shopify admin again, we'll click on the navigation section. Here you'll find predefined navigation menus for both the footer and the header. For this guide, we'll focus on editing the main menu or the header menu. Now on this page, you can edit the existing menus, remove them, or change their order by dragging and dropping the menus. Now to start adding, you just need to click the Add Menu item. Now let's give our menu item a name. Let's say Apparel. You don't need to worry about adding a link for now for this menu. Now that it's been added, we'll create another one called Shirts and connect it to the shirt collection using the links section. Then we'll drag the shirt collection below Apparel slightly to the right. This turns it into a submenu of Apparel. So now you can add more items under Apparel from here. Once you're happy with all your links and submenus, don't forget to save your changes. Finally, here's how it would look like from the online store. Now, before you announce the opening of your store, take a moment to head over to the Preferences section and disable the store password. By doing so, you'll ensure that your business is visible to everyone, allowing them to browse and make purchases from your store. And that's it. It's that simple to set up a business using Shopify. If you're aiming to give your business a boost, Stay Tuned introduces a range of apps that can contribute to your business success. With apps like discounts, bundles, event management, and size chart features, these tools could truly impact your progress. Feel free to explore these apps by clicking the link provided in the description. Should you have any inquiries, don't hesitate to ask in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for our weekly videos that are packed with valuable information to benefit your business. That's it. Thank you for watching.